In this example, I'll be teaching you how to name an unknown hydrocarbon molecule using the UPAC convention. UPAC to chemists stands for the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Now, you have learned from me just now that the first thing when you look at a molecule is to find its longest chain of carbons. So now take some time and decide for yourself what is the longest chain for this molecule. You should get this part. Do you see the blue line overlay? This gives you the longest chain for this molecule. Right? So let's do a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 carbons. So the parent chain name will be called decane. Let's look at the substituents. What did we not cover? Here, these two methyl group, and I see another group here, and this group. So those in orange we didn't cover. There's nothing here, right? Don't worry, I'll clear up later. So we see, do we start from this end or the other end? So we never know, we're going to try. If you start from here, 1, 2, 3. The first substituent appears on the third carbon. But if I use my yellow color, hopefully there's no spillage now. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? Only at the fourth carbon, I see substituents. So if I look at my yellow marker, I'll get a 4 substituents followed by 5, 6, 7, 7. So 7, 7, 8. But if I use my pink one, 1, 2, 3, I get 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7. So again, you arrange them from smallest to largest and you go one by one. 4 against 3. 3 is smaller, so the whole set will win. That means we will follow the arrangement for the pink color marker. Alright, so remove this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Third carbon, we have a methyl group. So methyl, how many of them? 1, 2, 3. 3 of them, so in total we have a trimethyl. 3 times of a CH3 group. And where are they? At the third carbon, the fourth, and the fourth. So the labeling will be 3, 4, 4, hyphen, okay? 3, 4, 4, trimethyl. Next, we have at the 7th carbon, 2 carbon chain, that's the ethyl. So ethyl at the 7th carbon. And also at the 7th carbon, we have got a funny thing, like a V shape. So you could call it an isopropyl group. Okay, this is what it looks like a V, and then it joined to a main chain, this part here. Propyl means 3 of them. Iso meaning it is symmetrical here. It branches out to a methyl group. So this is, we recognize it as isopropyl. If you do not want to call it this way, the UPAC name is actually a methyl of an ethyl. So methyl ethyl equals to isopropyl. Okay. So here we stick to UPAC, which means the most fundamental way of naming it, methyl ethyl. And this occurs at the 7th carbon. Alright, so now we have a parent chain, decane. We also have the substituents all laid out, 3, 4, 4 trimethyl, a 7 ethyl, and a 7 methyl ethyl. We have to arrange them to make it one big name. Okay? So as usual, decane's at the back, but which one do I start first? We compare M against E against M. You may think, why is this not necessary? This is T. But this T comes from the tri, which just tells us there are 3 of these substituents. So this doesn't count towards the order. We look at M. Be careful. Back to orange ink. So M against E against M. All right? For this kind of naming, you notice that this is what we call the secondary chain. Secondary branching. These are what we call the primary branch. From a main chain, just one single branch. But here, from the first branch, you have another branch. So this is a secondary branch. So M, E, M. E comes first. So we begin with 7-ethyl, followed by M against M. So what? We go next letter. M-E-T-H-Y-L. Hey, it's the same. But this guy finish off with L and space. The one at the bottom continues with an E. So what now? Remember the song I hum at you? So before you sing the alphabet song, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So before that, what you do? You clap first, right? And then So space will trump E. Okay, silence. Nothing come before E. So we continue with 7-ethyl, then 3, 4, 4, tri-methyl, and we continue with a 7-methyl ethyl, finishing off with decane. Wonderful. That wasn't easy, but it's a really good practice to see how we arrange the substituents in a complex molecule.